Hey everyone, how are you all doing? Tonight is my last night here in the Philippines. In a few hours, I have my flight, and probably in an hour, I'll be on my way to the airport. This video is my goodbye to the Philippines. Yeah, I'm actually smiling right now. And where do I even start with this conversation? Where do I even start with this discussion? The Philippines would always be an important part of my life that I would always be grateful for, that I would always be excited to share, that I would always talk about, because my stay here has been amazing. It has been great. Some of it has been crazy, but it is totally worth everything that I've been through, everything that I've learned here, all of the friends that I've made, even my small YouTube community. You guys are all included in this, okay? So all I just want to say is to say thank you to all of you for your love and your support and your help, for your kindness, for your encouraging words, for helping me on the street, for saying hello to me, for being nice to me. And so much more that I cannot even begin to count. I just want to say thank you. Seriously, like, being here, I have learned a lot, and the lessons that I've learned living here would shape my life, which would shape my future. And as I go forward from here, these are the things I will be sharing with you guys, because as I'm going to Nigeria, of course I'm not going to stop vlogging. I really want to show you guys my country. I want to show you the good, the bad, and the ugly side of it, the best side of it, all of it. If I can, I will do that. And just to round off this message, to round off this goodbye, I just need to say that if you guys by any chance know any Filipino member, any of your family member, could be your brother, your sister, your auntie, your uncle, your nephew, your niece, your extended family, your seven-step brother down the family line, whoever it might be, that will be coming to Nigeria. I just need to tell you guys that what I'm trying to say here is that you have someone. I am partially Filipino right now, so you can always recommend, if you know someone that is, looking for someone to show them around, if they need a roof over their head, any Filipino is welcome into my home. Any Filipino is welcome into my family. Any Filipino I'm happy to show around, I'm happy to pick up at the airport. If I am in that city in Nigeria and I've been told that that person is coming or they need help, regardless of where it might be, my home is always open to all of you, your family, whoever it might be. Just know that you guys have someone in Nigeria right now that will always look out for you. Basically another Filipino in Nigeria that you can always recommend to anyone that might be stranded or might have a problem in Nigeria. Just tell them that Abby say you should call them, and I'll be happy to rise up to the occasion and help them through the whole process. So that is my final message to all of you. But I cannot wait to go home. Thank you all again. Thank you so much for everything. I really appreciate it. And now this is the end of this vlog. So see you guys in Nigeria.